Start with the Granamati. Allah who is the most merciful, beneficial, honorable, principal, respectful teacher. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. First of all, I deliver my presentation. I am Varshallah from class 7, and today my presentation topic is the value of second, but why? First of all, the value of second and why it's matter. That is the value of second, but why it's matter. Exploring the power of a moment in time. Moment in time. Clock with moving a time and stopwatch. Text. What is the second? Second is the basic unit of time. Second is the basic unit of time. We commonly measure it in a daily life. In a daily life, it might seem infused, but it can be life changing. Timeline with ticking. Number three, significant precipitation. Definited by the exactly of a constant adapts contains evolution of the time depending helping and technology e.g. GPS communication atomic clock with a significant diagram. Number four, second in the daily life. Second influence our personality, productively and routine. Example one missed late for duty, late for meeting or opportunity. Rising person running to catch the train. Number five, sport second. Second divided winner to something sports. Example, Olympic race, football and goal timing, photo finish of a race. Number six, life saving seconds. Medical emergencies on a second for CPR or distributely. Firefighting or reduce opportunity depend on reduced resources, while emergency expects is an action. Number seven, movement of innovation. Text discover a direction made in the matter of seconds. Example Thomas Edison realization expiration, which is the light made up of a second. Second, light bulb or introduction timeline. Second in technology. Faster process speed milliseconds. Transfer and digital life. Example, internet speed real time and stack trending. Burning core our lay on a digital timer. Photographer and emotions value life create memorize. Families or corrupt couple sharing a heartfelt moment. Number five, in conclusion, a second can change everything. A second can change everything. Where it is science, technology, life, and love. Let's make every second count with inspiration, imagine of a survive or an hot glass of horse case. If you have any question, please ask me.